Welcome again. So in this part, we will solve the problem number 5, which has two parts. In the first part, we will uh, solve for the missing amounts, and then in the second part, we will prepare the classified balance sheet. So I already have all this information in the Excel template. So let's go. So the first thing is we will prepare. We have the Okay. So first thing is we have to calculate the inventory. So as we know that current assets includes inventory. So if we just subtract all other current assets from the total current assets, so we will find the inventory. So we have total current assets minus cash minus short-term investments minus accounts receivable and minus prepaid expenses. So this is our inventory. Okay, this should be our inventory. You got it? The second one is total assets. So we know that assets equal to liability plus owner's equity. It means, assets equal to liability plus owner's equity. Right? So what we do, we will add the liabilities, total liabilities and total owner's equity. So let's see. So total liabilities is this one plus we have common stock plus we have retained earnings. So this is our total assets. So total assets is gonna be this one, okay? And then equipment. So for the equipment would be equal to total assets. See, total assets minus current assets, total current assets, okay? Minus total long-term receivables, okay? So this is our equipment. This should be equal to this, okay? And accounts payable, it should be current liability minus all other expenses. So we'll start with the total current liabilities. Total current liabilities is this one minus accrued liabilities, okay? Minus notes payable, let's see, notes payable current minus other current liabilities. So this one, this should be equal to this, okay? Okay. And finally, total long-term debt. So it should also be easy. That is equal to total liabilities minus current liabilities. So total current liabilities, okay? This one. This should be equal to this, okay? We got it? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm copying this one, okay? All this information, okay, let's copy this one. Okay, now let's go to prepare the balance sheet. So cash and cash equivalent, which is equal to this. Then short-term investments. Then accounts receivable. So accounts receivable. And then inventory. And finally, we have prepaid expenses. So prepaid expenses, this one. Okay. So total current assets is gonna be sum of this, right? Okay. And long-term receivables. So it is long-term receivable is this one. Okay. And property, plant, equipment, net, it's given because there is no depreciation over here. So it should be equipment, this one. Okay. And then total assets should be equal to sum of all of this. So total assets is, so let's use the 1,000 separate. Okay, total asset is 2,326,767. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the liabilities and shareholders equity section. So notes payable. So notes payable would be this one. Then accounts payable. We have accounts payable and accrued liability, actually accrued payable. So accrued liabilities or accrued payable and other current liabilities is equal to, see, other current liabilities is equal to this one. So total current liabilities would be equal to this. Okay, and now total long-term debt. So long-term debt is gonna be this one, and now our total liability would be no, not this. Sum of current and long-term. Okay, so this is our total liabilities. Okay, and the common stock it's given, say this one, then retained earnings. So total shareholders equity is equal to sum of these two, and our shareholders equity and liability would be equal to what we can do. So liabilities plus shareholders equity. So this, and we can see that they are balanced. Okay. So, and for this one, let me format the cell. We don't need any decimal places. Okay. So this is the total, meaning this is the balance sheet we have prepared. So this will be on Canvas. Okay. Thank you.